Good morning, children. How are you all? Children, we have been through the capital letters, small letters, the sound, and the song. Today, we will revise the sounds of some letters. Let's start with A. This is capital A. This is capital A and this is small a. Small a. How do we write capital A? From top to bottom, from top to bottom and a sleeping line. And how do we write the small a? Curve and top to bottom. Children, what is the sound of A? A says A. A says A. 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 Ants on my arms. A. A. Ants on my arms. A. A. Ants on my arms, they're causing me alarm. So children, there are many objects that starts with A. Let's revise. A for apple. A for ant. A for alligator. A for arrow. Apple. Ant. Alligator. Arrow. Now let's do B. 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 This is capital B and this is small b. And how do we write? From top to bottom, then curve and again curve. And how do we write the small b? From top to bottom and a curve. What is the sound of B? B says burr. B says burr. B says burr. And we can remember this through one song. Let's bring bat and ball, buh, buh. Let's bring bat and ball, buh, 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 buh. So, what is the sound of B? B says burr. B says burr. And what are the objects that start with B? Buh, buh, ball. Buh, buh, balloon. Buh, buh, balloon. Buh, buh, bat. Buh, buh, bat. Buh, buh, bat. Now children, let's start. C. What is this? C. And how do we write C? This is capital C and this is small c. A curve like this and a curve like this. And what is the sound of C? C says cur. C says cur. Cur, cur, cur. What is the sound of C? C says cur. And what are the objects that start with C? C for cat. C for cat. C for cat. C for cat. C for car. C for cap. C, cap. C, cat. C, car. So children, let's revise this again. A says apple, ant, alligator, arrow. B says ball, balloon, bat. C says cat, car, cap. So children, I have one worksheet for you. Ma'am will give you one worksheet and you just do that worksheet with your parents. Thank you.